Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove or delete bad reviews on Etsy. Now, as you can see, we're here on my Etsy dashboard, and if we go to my store here, I can see that I got a lot of good reviews. But sometimes people tend to leave really bad reviews, and as you can see, we don't have a button right here to actually remove the reviews. So what can we do to actually remove the reviews that are bad for our business, obviously, right? So as you can see right here, what to do if you receive a negative review. This is basically Etsy Help Center. As you can see, if you receive a review that you believe violates Etsy's policies, please be sure to report it. As you can see, reviews that are solely about things outside of the seller's control, such as the actions of a shipping carrier, Etsy, or third party, may be in violation of our policies, as you can see. So, as you can see, if you receive a negative review, you can obviously report it, but only it will be removed only if it violates Etsy's policies. As you can see right here. So as you can see, receiving a negative review can be unexpected disappointment. However, negative reviews are also an opportunity to learn how you can improve your shopper's experience. And as you can see here, you have, if you believe that a review violates Etsy's policies, you can report it, right? And you can click here to report it, obviously, and how to report a review in your shop and all that good stuff. Now, to basically report, you need to click report this review under the review you want to report in your shop on Etsy.com, if that's available, obviously. So and yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. This is the only way how to remove or delete bad reviews. Again, only if it violates Etsy's policies. So yeah, that's basically it. Again, I hope this video is useful, guys, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.